Hello everyone, let's solve this problem. A ball is thrown vertically upward with initial speed of 25 meter per second as shown in this picture from position A. We have to find the maximum height which it will go up, and we have to also find the velocity at the position B when ball will drop. So here we will apply the fundamental equations or general equation of the projectile motion. Initial velocity is 25 meter per second. Okay, so now we will solve it. Let's write the equation for the velocity. Suppose we are calculating the velocity at the apex position, I mean at the maximum height. As you know, at the maximum height, the velocity will be 0 in a projectile motion. So it means the velocity v is 0 at apex position, as I am mentioning in this diagram here. Let's move to the next page. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. So let's see here. The velocity at apex position is 0. And what is the initial velocity? It is given in the problem. It is 25 meter per second. So let's put all values. Now here, what is y? Y is the total height. Okay, so in this case, we will go measure the total height. This is 15 plus h. Because we are calculating for the apex, I mean maximum height, so we have to write the maximum height. So it is 15 plus h. And next question is, what is y naught? So since we started from the datum, the position A, so it is 0. So simply you can write 0 here. Now you can solve this equation and simply calculate the value for h, which is 16.86 meter. Now our next objective is to find what will be the time. So in this case, again, I will use a general formula for the y direction. So the formula is visible on the screen. Y is equal to y naught plus v naught t minus half gt square, which is very common in projectile motion. Now we will apply this formula up to position B, where this will fall, the ball will touch. So in this case, we have to also find the what will be the velocity at position B. So before we calculate velocity, we need time. Okay, so in this case, let's start with finding time. You have all information, like the height is 15 and initial velocity is 25. So you will put all this information in this equation, and note that we are solving for the position B. So that's why we wrote the height 15. Now we can solve this equation. If you want to solve this equation manually, you can simplify this equation by multiplying 2 on the both side. Although this is not very complex equation to solve, but if you want to do it manually, you can simplify it by multiplying with 2. So this is 15 multiplied by 2 is 30, and so on. You will write all values. Now you can use this equation, and simply you can use your calculator to get the value for t. But if you still want to solve it manually, you can rearrange in this way. Most of the scientific calculators have these features to solve this type of equation. You can see any video or just tutorial on the Google. So put this value, or otherwise you can simplify it more in a way and you can calculate the time. And this is quadratic equation. So guys, you will find two values for the time. So in this case, we found two values. The first one is 0.695 second and another one is 4.40 second. 0.6 is very small time, which is not practical, so we will use 4.40, and based on this time we will try to find the velocity of impact at position B. What will be the velocity of ball when it will reach at the position B? So you can simply write this formula: V is equal to V naught minus GT. Why? Because it is a free fall. Okay, so acceleration is here G. Usually you can write this formula for any simple linear motion also, but here it is projectile and it is falling from the sky, so you can write V naught minus GT. So answer is here minus 18.9 meter per second. It means that motion is downward. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.